Welcome back, Beer Squad. It's First Beer here, and today I'm going to show you how you can add playlist in your channel, in your YouTube channel. It's really simple and easy and quick. For this, you're going to you have to enter your channel at first. Then I'm going to show you, and the video you want to add to a playlist, you have to click that. It's 3 buttons, and we're gonna click save to playlist, and you're gonna see a lot of things are showing up. Okay, and if you want to put that in something, you can just click it or put it there, and it will go there instantly. New playlist, if you want to create a new playlist, you can click that new playlist. There are 3 options: public, unlisted, private. If it's public, if anyone can see this, if someone searches this, they can find it and they can view it, no problem. If you just put unlisted, if you send someone the link or put the link in somewhere, if someone clicks it, then they will find it. They won't be able to find it when they will search or search this. And private, no one can view this, no way, and only you can view this. And so I'm going to make this public, and I'm going to name this example. Example. Okay, so I'm going to create that, and you're just gonna go to playlist, and voila, just see this. It instantly forms. And I have already made an example because I may try to make this video again and it failed. See, it has appeared twice. So if you want to delete it, you just can press delete, and it goes away. Okay guys, that's it for this episode. I really hope that it helped you a little bit, and I'll see you guys next time.